If you are planning to renovate your laundry room and you're faced with limited space or perhaps too much space, remember, it's not the space that you have that matters so much, but how you maximize every inch of that space. Take a look at how I transformed my small laundry room into a functional, efficient, comfortable, and even a stylish retreat that has become one of my favorite rooms in my home. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.
Okay, so here we go.
I picked a color scheme that not only made the area look brighter and bigger, but would also match the decor of my home. To save floor space, we used up this perfect corner for my stackable washer and dryer.
And these are absolutely amazing. If you're looking for new washer and dryers, I got Whirlpool, and these work really well, knock on wood. So far, so good. It does save a lot of space when you do stack your machines. One of the things that was important for me was to get a sink put into my laundry because I do wash some clothes by hand. And not only to wash the clothes, but to hang them as well. So I had them put some hanging spaces for me, and there's a little bit of storage on top there as well.
And if you're planning to install a sink in your laundry, I encourage you to put in a backsplash with tiles. Because this area regularly encounters water, the tiles will help to protect the walls from the effects of moisture and it will ultimately look better. This cabinet underneath the sink provides me with easy access storage for my frequently used laundry items, while maintaining a neat, clean look by keeping everything enclosed and out of the way. And here I have more storage. And who doesn't need extra storage? And in this cabinet, I store away extra essentials such as my cleaning supplies, batteries, shoe polish products, and so much more. And again, everything is tucked away, leaving my laundry always looking neat and fabulous.
And right over here, I have my folding table, and it works beautifully for me. It's not too big, but it's perfect and it serves its purpose. My dryer's right there. I just take my pieces one piece at a time, bring it over, fold it, set it aside, and it works beautifully for me. Right underneath, I have more storage. So when I open that up, I just tuck away more shoes, my iron, extra bags, whatever else. And I just close the door and everything looks neat. And right over here, I have my laundry basket. Right above it, I had them put in extra hooks, and you have no idea how many times I use these hooks. In here, I have my cute ironing board. I used to have the big ones and they're so hard to store away, but let me tell you, this does the job. It's small, it's practical, and I found it at IKEA a couple of years ago, and it works perfect. So, and it sits perfect on top of my folding table as well. So I just put it here, untuck its legs, and look at that. So here I have my iron, and I had them put in an outlet for me there so that I could use it whenever I want to iron my clothes. And look how everything just sits perfectly. When you're done, you just put away your iron, put away the ironing board, and everything always looks neat.
And of course, although functionality was priority for me, making it look appealing and cozy was important as well. So I bought some cute and inspirational pictures that add some warmth and character to the room.
So as you can see, guys, I have a small laundry room, but it has everything that I could possibly need. And it works perfect for me because I try to make use out of the space, the small space that I had, and I try to put in everything that was important to me and that I felt that I needed and would facilitate things for me and make me enjoy my laundry room.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you got some great ideas to renovate your laundry, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.